So for that, corrosion of metal. What do you mean by corrosion? And have you seen the following things? So we have seen the old iron bars of building which are having brown color, copper vessels which are not clean for a long time are showing green color. The silver ornaments or the idols exposed to air are showing black color on that ornaments. The old abandoned vehicles fit to be thrown away are showing brown color also. So why do silver articles turns blackish while copper vessels turn greenish on keeping in air for a long time? So we have told that the silver articles which are becoming blackish are due to oxidation. Copper vessels is also copper is also oxidized and turning into greenish color. Why do pure gold and platinum always glitter? So pure gold or platinum which is used is having a layer of oxide. So if we wash them in lemon water or the tamarind water, that is acidic water, the glittering will become again. Rusting of iron articles causes large financial loss. Rusting of iron articles causes large financial loss. Whether it is a building, whether it is a statue, depends. The corrosion of iron that is rusting is a big problem. First, the iron react with moist air and deposit of reddish substance, that is Fe2O3 dot H2O, that is rust. It is formed on it, and that substance is called as a rust. Brown color rust form due to reaction of iron with air or the water. Next, carbon dioxide in a moist air with the surface of copper. Carbon dioxide uh, which is present in moist air which will react with copper vessel, and the copper loses its luster due to formation of green layer of copper carbonate. Green layer of copper carbonate, and that green color, formation of green color is called as a patination. Formation of rust is called as a corrosion. Formation of green color is called as a patination. Now on exposure to air, silver articles turns blackish after some time, and this is because the layer of silver sulfide. Now on exposure to the air, silver articles, silver is combining or the reacting with sulfur in air, and it turns blackish and formation of silver sulfide, that is Ag2S. Now by oxidation of aluminium, a thin layer of aluminium oxide is formed. Now how will you prevent this corrosion? So first question, which measures would you suggest to stop the corrosion of metallic articles or not to allow the corrosion to start? And the second question, what is done so to prevent rusting of iron windows and iron doors of your house? Okay. Various methods are used to protect metal from corrosion. So, special attention is paid to iron so that the rusting not happen. So, we can lower the rate of the process of rusting of iron. Corrosion of metal can be stopped by keeping metal isolated from direct contact with air. एयर से डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट बंद करना, That will be one possibility. So the prevention of corrosion can be achieved by various ways. There are some methods. First, fix a layer of some substance on the metal surface so that the contact of metal and moisture and oxygen in a air can be prevented, and there will not be any reaction. Next, to prevent corrosion of metal by applying a layer of paint, oil, grease, or the varnish on their surface. For example, the corrosion of iron can be prevented by this method. Next, the corrosion can be prevented by putting a layer of non-corrodable metal on the corrodable metal. एक करोशन ऐसे भी कम कर दिया जाता है कि जिसका रिएक्टिविटी ज़्यादा है ऐसे मेटल पे, जिसका रिएक्टिविटी कम है ऐसे मेटल का एक कोटिंग लगा के उसको करोशन कम किया जा सकता है. So there are many ways, and from that we have selected these five methods: galvanizing, tinning, anodizing, electroplating, and alloying. So now we will move on to the first, galvanizing. It is the method in which the thin layer of zinc is applied to prevent corrosion of iron or a steel. आयन और स्टील ये दोनों का corrosion कम करने के लिए जिंक का लेयर दिया जाता है. तो एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे आयरन नेल्स, शाइनिंग आयरन नेल्स, पिन्स एटसेट्रा. इन दिस मेथड द corrosion ऑफ जिंक ऑकर्स फर्स्ट. पहले तो जिंक का कोटिंग दिया है ऊपर, तो जिंक का corrosion पहले हो जाएगा. Because zinc is more electropositive than iron, after a few rainy season this zinc layer will go away and the inner iron gets exposed, and then iron will start rusting. So in this process, first caustic cleaning है, rinsing, pickling, rinsing again, flux solution, drying, zinc bath, and final cooling and inspection होगा. So that is the process of galvanizing. नेक्स्ट, टिनिंग. उसको कलाई भी बोलते हो. एक कॉपर का मेटल रहेगा, कॉपर का आपके पास बर्तन रहेगा, तो बर्तन के अंदर दूसरे मेटल का, दैट इज टिन का कोटिंग दिया जाता है अंदर की तरफ. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ टिनिंग. और अंदर की तरफ टिन का कोटिंग दिया जाता है, लेकिन ऑलरेडी वो कॉपर मेटल से वो बर्तन बना हुआ है. So, a type of metal method in which a layer of molten tin is deposited on the metal is called as a tinning, and we commonly called as a kalai. A greenish layer forms on the surface of copper or the brass vessel, and this greenish layer is poisonous. Copper carbonate का layer है वो green color. So if we put buttermilk or the curry in place in such a vessel, then that curry or the buttermilk will spoil, poison तैयार हो जाएगा, and the, it will not be helpful for us. So tinning is done to prevent all such damages. Next, that is anodizing. In this method, metals like copper, aluminium, these are coated with a thin and a strong layer of their oxide by means of electrolysis. Electrolysis itself explain everything. Lysis, with the help of electricity, जिस किसी को भी कोटिंग देना है उसको कैथोड पे रखो, और जिस किसी के से भी कोटिंग करना है वो एनोड पे रखो. So for example, for this the copper and or aluminum article is used as a anode. एनोड पे रखने के लिए बोला. जिसका कॉपर का कोटिंग करना है, एल्यूमिनियम का कोटिंग करना है, तो कॉपर और एल्यूमिनियम एनोड पे रखो. एज दिस ऑक्साइड लेयर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यूनिफॉर्म ऑल ओवर द सरफेस, इट इज यूजफुल फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करोशन ऑफ मेटल. सो ये यूनिफॉर्म लेयर पड़ता है इसका, इसके लिए इसका करोशन बहुत ही प्रिवेंट करता है ये लेयर. So for example, when aluminum is anodized, a thin layer of aluminum oxide is formed. अगर हम एनोडाइज एल्यूमिनियम को एनोडाइज कर रहे हैं तो एल्यूमिनियम के ऊपर एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का एक लेयर तैयार हो जाएगा. सो इट विल ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट द कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम मेटल विद द डायरेक्ट ऑक्सीजन और द वाटर. तो पानी के साथ या ऑक्सीजन के साथ एल्यूमिनियम का जो कॉन्टैक्ट है वो एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड ब्रेक कर देगा एंड दिस प्रिवेंट द फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन. दिस protection can be further increased by making that oxide layer thicker.